So I was bored at home and I thought, Halloween is coming. I can probably come up with something fun for the channel, right? So I logged in and brainstormed with GPT, or as I like to call him, Geppetto. What came out of this brainstorm was glorious. So we decided to build a completely real ghost hunting app. Yeah, in React Native. We can laugh a little bit and also learn a new topic. That's what I call a double win. Now this double win will be a struggle because I have 1 week to make something for Halloween. It's going to be crazy, but let's try it. Hello everyone, welcome to the digital dimension. Today we're doing something out of pocket. We're going in. We're going hard into React Native. We're gonna build a ghost hunting app. So let's go in, let's dive in. To start React Native, we use Expo. Expo is a framework. So we run the command to start Expo. You can give it a name before you run, I think. What is Expo? Expo is this. Expo is a full-stack React Native framework with powerful cloud services to help you move faster at every stage of the app lifecycle. Expo is very cool. You can develop on your computer with an emulator or on the web. They let you see it on the web. But the coolest part is they give you a QR code that you can then scan with your phone on an Expo app, and then you can see your app running on your phone. It's called Expo Go. I will use both so that you can see what I'm doing in terms of UI, and then I will test it on my phone to see if the mic is working. I will try and give you the double coverage that you need to get this to work. Phone camera and the computer camera. It's not a camera, it's a screen recording, but yeah, so it's the same. Okay, let's see if it's finished. It is! So we can CD into the ghost hunting. Oh, it's not like this. Yeah, you. Exactly. Yeah. So let's run npx expo start. So just for fun, I asked GPT what we need to get this app fun and why we are using it. Look, he's a genius. So yeah, so ghosts disturb the environment. Ooh, creepy stuff. They mess with electromagnetic fields, air pressure, and even cause weird sounds and vibrations. So that's exactly what my app measures. Haha, see? Beautiful. So what is the microphone gonna do? It's gonna detect vocal anomalies or unexplained whispers. It's just gonna measure how loud it's around you. The magnetometer detects electromagnetic interference detects this from spiritual energy. It's just reading the local magnetic field strength. The accelerometer, it senses if the phone is shaking, and the barometer, it's gonna check the atmospheric pressure. Okay, so I had to stop a little bit and restart my IDE because he was going crazy bananas about some errors, but now it's all working. First, let's replace everything we have here by the code that Geppetto gave to me. Is this it? Yeah, you needed to import platform. See, sometimes it's easy to fix. Let's see. Yeah, I am also seeing it in my phone. So this will be our base app. I think it's looking cool. He forgot the padding, but who needs padding? So he made like a lot of classes. This is how you do styles on React Native. You then use it here, not here. You then use the style sheet create, and then you can append the styles to the components. Oh, so he's using deprecated components. So I'm gonna tell him this. I'm gonna tell him, dude, please do not deprecate. Okay, so because this thing is deprecated, we need to install this one. And then, from what I gathered, you go here and you say, I don't want this one, I want this one. Is this it? Oh yeah, now we have padding. See, it wasn't his fault. He just didn't know what to do. Maybe it's his fault. He didn't read the documentation. This is a lesson to developers everywhere. Read the docs. So yeah, so you have Pico magnetic things. You have DBs. Okay, I know that one. And you have meters per second squared. Very nice. You have our activity log where you can just do not. Oh, mode summoning. Okay, this is pretty cool. Oh, I see. He does the disturbance thing. Okay, this is a very cool idea. Aha, okay, I did some work in here. So you can remove the tabs folder, and then you go into layout and you do it like this because we won't use tabs. And the index tsx is the one that we had our code, which I will share, so don't worry about it. This is just for your eyes to take a peek at our madness. Very nice. Okay, so let's go deeper into the rabbit hole. We need our mic to listen to sound. Please, Mr. Mike, can you listen to me? So we're going in on this and we're going to start by adding the mic capabilities so we can listen to ghosts. Ooh. So we'll start by adding the imports. We want to use audio and we want ref. Need this here, you need it here. Use ref is just to store a reference to the recording object. Audio is the audio object from Expo AV, which is the library responsible for working with the audio. Then we have our mic levels. Then we need to know if the mic is active or not. So we're gonna add this here. I don't know if this will work. I'm just following what GPT is telling me to do. Then it tells me to do a use effect. Ooh, we're getting fancy in here. Oh yeah, because, okay. So we need to convert this to a string. To string. Aha. It's broken. Nice. Yeah. So he's starting to come up with stuff. Nice one, ChatGPT. What is this? This doesn't exist, my dude. So we're going to add some fallbacks. Use effect. You can't find it. Okay, I'll help you with that one. It is right here. Now, GPT, Geppetto. Ooh, allow while visiting the site. Hello? Hi. Hello. Hello? Hello? So he asked for the permissions, which is very cool. So, as GPT always does, he was giving me old information. Because he's an oldie. He likes the old information of the APIs. He does not like to search before doing. And once again, read the docs. That's a lesson that you will learn if you try to vibe code something. So I'll just do this. At least it's what he tells me. I don't really know what is going on, so I'll just accept my fate. Can you try again, good sir? Ah, yes, it's working. See? He's detecting ghosts. Ooh, he's going crazy bananas. Ah. Ooh, and the phone is fancier. I'll also show you the phone camera. Ha. Oh, I need to record the phone camera. As you can see, I'm very good at doing this kind of work. Okay. Hello. 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 As you can see, the numbers are going up and down. Ghosts are whispering. Ooh. Hello? Very nice. I like that. I'm gonna stop the recording. Very well. We have the mic. Now we need to go on to the other things, but first I'll clean these annoying comments. Because I don't care, man. I'm the vibe coder now. Yes, perfect. Pow. All the comments are gone now. Of course we know what's going on here. See, you're setting an interval and then you're recording the audio and stuff. No, I'm really not sure what's going on. Hey, we have the audio running. Now we need to go and try to see how we can get the sensors working. I'm starting to get the feeling that making GPT do a React Native app, it's not that hard. Okay, so you are getting my full knowledge right now, so that if I regret what I'm saying right now, you are the first to know. It's amazing. So now we need to install the sensors. This is the command, Expo as a library for it. And after installation, we do what we just did. We ask nicely to import them. I put a symbol here. Damn it. Oh, React Native, it's here. It's the vibrator. Oh, are we gonna vibrate? Just spooking people. One vibration at a time. We have the motion level and the mag value. Mag value, it's right here. I'm gonna put them close together. Spookiness is also here. We have the alert flash, which is, I don't know, activity log. Do I have the activity log? Most likely. Log items, is this it? Oh yeah, it's the fake the real information. Then, as we did here, we're going to use a use effect to subscribe to the sensors. This is the word that he used, and okay, we need to put this to a string. Please, good sir, you always need to ask, please. When converting numbers to strings, just ask nicely. What is going on? Didn't I ask nicely? What is going on? So, in the meantime, I don't know what's going on, but we're gonna add some helper functions. Okay. Oh no, the numbers are going crazy. So I'm just gonna record this on my phone. Maybe it's because... So I was being dumb. Of course, this is not working on my web view because accelerometer and magneto don't exist on a browser. That was easy to find out why. So I'm going to record my phone and you're going to see the numbers are going insane. Cuckoo bananas. Aha, as you can see, the magnetic and the movement are just going crazy out of this mind. We're detecting a lot of magnetic fields. So yeah, so just to be safe, we're going to replace this to double check if we are on the correct platform. Yeah, you need to string this. To string. To... Oh my god. Okay, so what's going on? He's just going crazy. Ah, okay, I see. He's not replacing, he's adding. He's being a dum-dum. Yeah, it's because of this. God knows what logic is going on here. I'm not gonna ask Geppetto what the hell he's doing. When you use effect and you use the previous value, you get access to the value that was in the use effect before. So he's using this to get some cuckoo banana logic. I'm not even going to try to see in what Matlord's way this is going on. So what I'm going to do is, I think that he's returning just random values. Am I wrong? Do this, and we can do string, of course. I'm outside. I need to add more parentheses. Okay. So the motion level is between, okay, he just stuck. Motion. Oh, okay, I'm just gonna copy the same logic for both. Yes, so if we do this, the values replace on time. He's using set to interval, which just basically runs this code every 200 milliseconds, but this is way too much. I mean, the ghosts are crazy, but not that. Oh, okay, my bad. I wanted another 0. So every second, we're going to rotate this. So this is what I told you when I meant that I'm going to correct GPT mistakes. But this is okay. He's improving our workforce. We have like this huge component with over 400 lines. Debugging this will be awful. I don't know even what the hell half of this code is doing, but yeah, for sure. It's awesome. Okay, do I have this? No, I don't. Okay, so I'm going to return back because I was implementing what he told me to do. Okay, so we added the helpers, the normalize and the clamp. Then he wants us to compute the spooky stuff. So it's another use effect. I'm gonna put it here, maybe, perhaps. Trigger flash, another helper that he doesn't tell us. So I'm gonna just, I hate comments. GPT comments. Real comments are helpful. GPT comments are just weird. So, yeah, okay, string. But then you need, okay, but you can do this. You can do this. You can do string. And I was just gonna add a plus. And if you do this, you convert this to a number, but I can't do it because then if there was negative, if it was a negative value, we wouldn't be able to get the correct reading. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna go value, and there's probably a to number. Number. Okay, I don't know the thing. Aha. So you only need to do this number. Thank you, Geppetto. And then you do this. Value number is kind of dumb, so let's call it value as number. I don't know if this is correct in any way or sense. Okay, so on to the next steps. We have the trigger flash, which is gonna flash something. Okay, so he also is telling me this. So if I go here and we do this, how much do we replace? Only until this one. Background member. Is it here? Yeah, no, my bad. Yeah, no, okay, it's the whole thing that he wants me to replace. So I was cutting wrong. Just put it anywhere, but let's try to keep our consts together. So they aren't cold, of course. Ah, okay, I see. Expo AV, which is the library that we are using for audio, is also deprecated. So we need to replace, but I don't think that right now that is the issue. Okay, so the issue is that these values can be this, and this can be nan. Okay. So let's try this, because the number could be a string. Okay, so we had a bug. The bug was basically this. We were running the set interval. The issue was that mic level, motion level, and mag value were being updated to the millisecond. And because we set the interval to be 300 milliseconds, what will happen is this was being re-rendered, the use effect was being run, and the set interval was being resetted. So a new one was starting. So the value is never updated like this. So we just run it like this and like that. As you can see, everything is going crazy. Going bananas. The paranormal index is growing exponentially. There's a lot of ghosts. I'm also going to show it on my phone. I'm rotating it, I'm talking to it, and the value is just spiking. It's going insane. Yeah, so I think it reacts more to the mic because he put some weights. Yes, so... Oh, so the mic is 0.4%, so 40% of the mic value contributes to the score. 40% of the magnetic fields, which is interesting because, as we know, ghosts love magnetic fields or something like that. Ghosts are crazy for magnetics.